Constipation is an incredibly common problem for most of the people. Even it affects around 20% of Americans, and resulting in 8 million doctor visits per year. And many of them are the sufferers by chronic constipation. What is constipation? Constipation is characterized by less than 3 bowel movements per week. But, it can also involve other unpleasant symptoms, such as having lumpy or hard stools, using your hands to press on your abdomen to remove stool, abdominal bloating and pain, dry and difficult to pass. Constipation causes. There are a number of underlying causes behind the problem. It can be caused by food you eat or avoid, lifestyle choices, medication or disease. Constipation treatment. Unfortunately, constipation can have a serious negative effect on quality of life, as well as your physical and mental health. But there are many natural ways to help relieve constipation easily, and most of them are supported by science. Presenting the best 4 natural home remedies to relieve constipation at home. Don't forget to subscribe and stay with us. How to get rid of constipation naturally. 1. Freshen up from the inside out. A fresh lemon can save you from this irritating problem. The citric acid in lemon juice acts as a stimulant for your digestive system, and can help flush out toxins and undigested material that may have built up along the walls of the colon. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into 1 cup of warm water. Drink completely. Also, adding lemon in your daily diet can help to relieve constipation. 2. Eat prunes. Prunes contain the sugar alcohol sorbitol, which has a laxative effect. Prunes can be a very effective remedy for constipation. If you're constipated, prunes could be the easiest natural solution available. 3. Consume molasses. Blackstrap molasses, which is crystallized but contains significant amounts of vitamins and minerals, specifically magnesium, can help the constipation. Just consume 1 teaspoon of blackstrap molasses daily. Or, consuming blackstrap molasses with 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and some minced garlic, can help you much faster. 4. Bacteria is necessary. Healthy gut flora is vital to keep our digestive system working properly. Enjoy a cup of yogurt with breakfast or during the day, which is filled with probiotics. Besides these, drink more water, eat more fiber, and exercise regularly, for constipation relief.